So following hoarding towards the new Grand Central Station in Belfast, tarmac has just changed into an underfoot wayfinding. Now this is surface mounted. The original 5-line aluminium strips were removed because people were slipping on them earlier this year. So this brings us across Saltwater Square. It's 5-line surface mounted tactile. It's probably 5 or 6 millimeters deep each of the 5 lines, and we're just approaching the entrance to Belfast Grand Central now. So again, surface mounted wayfinding, sweeping the cane left and right over it, and near the door, that's the original type of surface that was being used, that's now been removed, and now we're going through the automatic gate, through a matwell, sweeping the cane left and right. Now we've got 5-line strips, kind of aluminium strips underfoot. Should reach a junction shortly to the right, and I'm going to follow that now towards the validation gates for the rail station, the 8 platforms.